Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video we went ahead and did the UVs for the belt, and in this one we're going to start on the boots. So let's go up to File, Save, and then save the next iteration. So I'll make this 26. I'm going to hit F8 to go back to object mode if you're not already. We can hide the belt, so I'll grab that, hit H, and let's get link. Hit H to bring link up, and you can see, of course, link is beautiful. These UVs are the most amazingest UVs ever. Not. Let's go ahead and go up to Create, come down to Planar, get the box here, and make sure we're projecting from Z. Hit Project. So there's our link, but all of the UVs are on top of each other, so that's not going to be any good. We need to separate them and unfold them so that we can paint on them. So we'll start with the boots, because that's going to be pretty easy. And go to the boots here. Let's turn on symmetry. Object X, F10 for edge selection, and I'm going to grab this interior edge, double click. That should get both sides there. That looks good. I'm going to go and hit my UV cut menu and hit cut, and you can see on here, where'd you go? We just made a UV cut for the boots. Hooray! If I go into face selection, double click the boots, you can see that those are now separate pieces and I can move them. Yay! But we need to do a little bit more work on the boots, so let's continue. Let's go down to the sole of the boot. Let's go ahead and click on one of the faces here, hit F to frame. There we go. Let's cut the sole, so F10 for edge mode. What I'm going to do is actually separate the this part of the sole, the rubberish part, from the leatherish part. So you can see we created this seam here. Double click, that should go all the way around. Beautiful. We'll go up to UVs here, hit cut. Nice. And then we should cut the back of the boot. So I'll show you why. Go into face selection, so F10. Double click the boots here, hit unfold. That's going to create these little spirals. Get this. We'll go ahead and unfold those as well. So the soles came out fine. That's good. We can paint on that with no problem. But right here, this is a big spiral of boot, and it's going to be hard to work on. So instead, I'll go up to the back of the boot here. Make sure we're in edge selection, so F10. I'm going to go to the back of the boot, right about here. Yeah, so there. Hold shift, double click to get this line. We're going to continue that. I'm going to go up the line here to about there. Hold shift, double click. Come up to the middle of the boot. I'm going to go up the line. Hold shift, double click. That should get under here as well as up here. And then we'll get these last two edges. So there should be one clean line down to the back of the boot there. And you can see that here. And let's go ahead and hit cut. Let's go to face selection, double click the boots and unfold them. So those are the boots unfolded. And I'll move the boots over here for now. You turn off symmetry just so I can separate these. There we go. One boot, one sole. And that will do it for this video. In the next video, we will tackle the pants. So save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you liked that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.